Welcome to Learning Concurrency in Python by Elliot Forbes, a course by Pact Publishing. I am Todd Heppenstall, and I will be the presenter of this course. In this course, you will mainly learn important and relevant concepts of threads and multithreading, synchronization between threads, executors and pools, and event-driven programming, and much more. Elliot Forbes has worked as a full-time software engineer at a leading financial firm for the last 2 years. He graduated from the University of Strathclyde in Scotland in the spring of 2015. He has worked on numerous different technologies, such as Golang, Node.js, and plain old Java, and he has spent years working on concurrent enterprise systems. This experience has enabled him to write this book. Elliot has maintained a couple of software development websites for the last 3 years. Let's look at the overview of the course. The first section is Speed It Up and helps you get to grips with threads and processors, and you'll also learn about some of the limitations and challenges of Python when it comes to implementing your own concurrent applications. After that, the section Parallelize It covers a multitude of topics, including the differences between concurrency and parallelism. The next section delves deeply into the workings of Python's native threading library. We'll look at the numerous different thread types. We'll also look in detail at various concepts such as the multithreading model. Moving further, we will discuss synchronization between threads, delve into the topic of deadlocks and the famous dining philosophers problem, and see how this can impact our own software. Post that, the section Communication between threads discusses quite a number of different mechanisms that we can employ to implement communication in our multi-threaded systems. We delve into the thread-safe queue primitives that Python features natively. The next section, Debug and Benchmark, takes a comprehensive look at some of the techniques that you can utilize in order to ensure your concurrent Python systems are as free as practically possible from bugs. Proceeding with executors and pools covers everything that you need to get started with thread pools, process pools, and future objects. We will look at the various ways in which you can instantiate your own thread. After that, the next section, Multiprocessing, discusses multiprocessing and how it can be utilized within our systems. We will follow the life of a process from its creation all the way through to its timely termination. The final section covers the paradigm of event-driven programming before covering how async I/O works and how we can use it for our own event-driven Python systems. This easy-to-follow guide teaches you the new practices and techniques to optimize your code, and then moves into more advanced ways to effectively write efficient Python code. Small and simple practical examples will help you test concepts yourself, and you will be able to easily adapt them for any application. So, let's begin this journey together, and I hope to see you there.